Hello guys, welcome to Auto Syndicate. We are here in Nice Road again, and today we are here with this beast. Check it out. This Baleno has a flamethrower kit. Stay tuned, I'll show you the entire videos of this car. Open air filter with SS intake. It also has a full exhaust system, custom made, specially for Vijay. Guys, check out this headlamp. This is India's first headlamp like this. It's a custom made headlamp for Vijay. He's the owner of this car. Check out the mods. Vijay, could you please show us different mods? He's using his mobile application to control this. Check it out. Check out this beast from the exteriors. Night Fury. Follow Night Fury on Instagram. It is loaded with a 17-inch BBS mags, and it has a Kenda tires on. Instagram ID. Guys, this is the most attractive thing about this Baleno. Check out the rear lamps. It's a custom made rear lamps, the only one in India, especially for Vijay. Vijay, could you please show us different modes of the rear lamp, please? Again, he's using a mobile application for the same, and he's going to show us different mods. Check it out. There are about 100 mods, so it's very difficult to show all of them to you, but some of the best ones we'll try and show it to you. Guys, like I said, this Baleno is a stage 2 tuned with pops and bangs. This seat is inspired by also a flamethrower kit. It has a Knight Ferrari design.